take this lighter. I gotta take my black. Oh.
Okay. Get the, all I can see is the Navy emblem.
Why? Because it's all black?
So dark. So you just know it's about to be good because Navy's doing it. We learned this in basic.
Or we're the sides. This is how we recruit people. This is what you learn in Navy.
MacGyver shit.
Fuck yeah.
How is this ever gonna benefit mankind though?
Well, you know what? The thing we need light. Because we run out of fucking energy.
What are you using to do that?
The flint and spring. It's a baller idea. You were really fucked up one night when you learned this.
Who, me?
Yeah.
You gotta save that. So what you do is you heat it up. So about 900 Fahrenheit.
Or till it turns red, huh?
Yeah.
That too.
So this is like magnesium right here.
It has 800 degree melt point.
Do you see how red it is?
It's just fucking.
Oh, I fucking missed it.
Yeah.
Now for step 2.
Yeah. It's gonna fucking blow up.
Hmm?
It's gonna blow up.
How did you learn this shit?
Where's my keys?
Right here.
Words to say.
I'm a dedicated fireman.
We are all professional firefighters because we took a 2-day course on it.
2-day course.
Well, we did. I see no fire.
Okay, what's it gonna do?
Don't blow
How
up.
did you light it?
It's gonna blow up.
Yeah, I guess to start melting the plastic, and then once it goes through the actual chamber inside, it just goes. Yeah, so once it catches fire, just back off a little bit.
Yeah. Kind of
How do you
a.
know when it catches fire?
You'll know when it catches fire. Get behind Tyler.
Oh, thanks.
There's a good one.
What?
Look at you, Karen. No, this is a good one. You scared the shit out of him. This is the accelerator program.
Yeah.
Fuck your couch. That's on fire. It's on fire.
Yeah, it's on fire.
Oh, shit.
No, come on.
Come on, buddy. Don't go out, don't go out.
Hold on, it's still lit.
No, it's
Fuck
on
it.
fire.
Do not go over there.
Yeah. See, when it goes dark, that's when you gotta worry.
Because you don't know what's about to happen. Why the f you guys are so far back? It's gonna-
Yeah.
We don't sleep much.
This is the exciting part of movies.